slippery rocks I was telling you about. Go for a dive. Yeah.
Oh, this is right.
Fucking hell. Oh, it's got like walking things.
What's up with that?
Oh, looking through, yeah? It's a bit slippery, I won't lie. And that next one. Left foot. Yeah. That's what Steve said. Huh? Unbelievable. What happened to the guy there? Is that lazy lagoon? Oh, too right! Yeah. It pulls you over. Oh yeah, baby. Is that a fish? Yeah, it is a fish. Oh, yeah, did little one, yeah. Fucking hell, this is nuts. No. Oh my god. Oh. Channel? Yeah, I don't know how much you guys can hear me, but this is the life. This is mental. Sitting under a waterfall, beautiful weather, beautiful scenery, beautiful water. It's fucking mental. Unreal, unbelievable. Absolutely unreal. We literally couldn't ask for anything better. It's mad. And now we're going to dive through the waterfall. Yeah, that went well. Oh my god, mate, I literally dived in and landed on a boulder. You got height on that. You actually went quite high. Trying to find platypus. We're in. This is basically where they're normally spotted. Some turtles and platypus. But there's Jordan. He's also looking for platypuses. But we've got to be quiet. But basically, if you see, we're looking out for ripples, but big ripples and air bubbles. But you can see like ripples here, but they're just bugs. So it's kind of annoying. But we're looking out for bubbles as well for tortoises. And you know, this is how people get eaten by crocodiles, is because they stand too close to the water. But yeah, anyway, I'll keep you updated, see if we find any platypuses, by the way. Some might think platypi, but platypuses, if there's multiple. So that is the end of our Cairns trip. It's been an absolute blast. If you've ever find yourself in Cairns, a couple of things. The Great Barrier Reef, it's an absolute must. We did it with Passions of Paradise. It was just unbelievable. They take you out. It's like a 2-hour trip out there. They give you lunch. They feed you. Get a couple of beers on there if you like beers. We definitely like beers. Jordan got a free beer. The reef is beautiful. It's sad because there is a lot of brown. There is obviously also a lot of colours, which I'm hoping you can see that on the camera. The fish though, the fish are nuts. Like, we had some big ones. Saw Nemo, which didn't look actually like the movie Nemo. He had almost like the same sort of colourings, but almost like a blue sort of, almost like not medal, like scarf thing around him. Anyway, but that was brilliant. We did see a turtle, but the turtle decided to come out and play once we all got back on the boat for the first part of the stop, because you do with Passions of Paradise, you do 2 stops. But the first one was amazing. Obviously, you can see in the footage, you sort of just go over and you're gliding across the reef. The second one, that was a deeper dive. There was not, obviously you saw I didn't do diving, although I did try and swim down in a couple of videos, which I'll try and point out somehow, where I go down. But one of the girls that was a worker there, she was like a bloody mermaid. She was just swimming down and easily do it, and I tried to copy it, and just my legs weren't working at the right time, and my hands weren't working. I'm going to blame that I was holding the GoPro, and not that I'm a bad swimmer. We did the second day, we did the Uncle Brian's tours. Highly recommend it. It's one of the best tours you can do. We did freshwater swimming. We had Cousin Paulie. Cousin Paulie is our tour guide. He was awesome, man. He was feeding us throughout the day, teas, coffees, giving us snacks along the way. We got a 2-course meal there, which was, what do we have, couscous and barbecue drumsticks. That was just brilliant, and just to be able to swim in the fresh water. The third one was Mysterious Girl. Peter Andre fans out there, Mysterious Girl was filmed there, so that was brilliant. Went swimming, a bit of a colder water, but again refreshing as anything. We went through the waterfall, under the waterfall, you know, we got some, oh, they're not so bad. But you can't even see it. It's actually really pathetic to even try and show you guys. Yeah, I'm not even going to try it. It's just tiny little cuts. But so we did that, and that was awesome. That was one of my favourites. It's the last one that we went to though, where Jordan did the backflip, impressing all the girls, impressing everyone. It was wicked to watch. That was basically a mountain that natural gas is built up inside of it, and it exploded about 10,000 years ago. Well, that's shaky. About 10,000 years ago, and then sort of rainwater just collected throughout time, and then just become this sort of crystal clear blue water. But fun fact about that as well is that about 10 years ago, some guy had a pet freshwater alligator, crocodile, and decided just for fun he would release it in there. So that was about 10 years ago. So we were swimming in that place with a freshwater crocodile. But apart from that, it's been a blast. We're off to Magnetic Island next, which is going to be awesome. There's going to be we're staying in a shack, I believe, or like a bungalow kind of thing, something like that, you'll see. But there's going to be like koalas around the area, and we're going to do hikes and stuff like that, so it's going to be awesome. But we've thoroughly enjoyed the trip. What was your favourite part of the trip?
The natural Uncle Brian's, 100%.
Uncle
I'd
Brian's.
definitely recommend it if anyone comes this way.
There's this little guy, I don't know what he's doing. Sorry, carry on, Jordan.
Yeah, no, Uncle Brian's for sure is definitely the best part for me, so if you're ever this way, highly recommend it, 100%.
Yeah, it was quality, really good. It's like, you do a full day as well. We left at like 8 AM.
Good way of meeting people as well.
It's a great way of meeting people. Everyone was cheering on the bus. I mean, we got on the bus
Hungover.
very hungover, and we forgot we were checking out that day as well. So, and we woke up at what, 7:45, and the bus was picking us up at 8. Forgot we were checking out. So we literally frantically, while all of our roommates was sort of hanging out their asses, we were literally packing up everything, rushing downstairs to check out, as well as try and get on the bus. So we all got on it. You know, a few people were hungover, but by the end of the day, everyone was chatting, everyone was getting to know each other, proper having a good time. All really it's just such a good way of meeting people. We have a couple of sing-alongs on there, didn't we? But yeah, so definitely check out Cairns if you can, man. It's just, and everyone at home, like, we miss you all. This is just the start of our East Coast adventure. Look at where we are right now. This is like the lagoon. Basically, like what I showed you back there. Not allowed to swim in the sea because of bull sharks and crocodiles, mainly saltwater crocodiles. Those are the ones that are just going to bully you and basically eat you. So they set up these lagoons, little lagoons everywhere, just so everyone can have a swim, because it's obviously bloody hot over here. We've all got nice little tan lines, so. But yeah, thanks for coming along. Really appreciate it, and hope everyone's doing well. We'll catch you in the next vlog. I haven't even got like a little like outro yet, so maybe we make one up now. Bada bing, bada boom. See you soon. He's absolutely putting a shift in.
No days off, mate.
So I've actually just not been with Jordan. He's actually been here the whole day. Woke up at 7 AM. 4005. What rep is that? What set is that? 4007.
What's the question, mate?
How many sets did you do of that?
74.
74 sets. Up to 4007?
10.
4010, sorry. This guy's an absolute trooper, man. He's just a workhorse.